everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a fidget haul since I got two fidgets. I got a yellow smiley face splat ball and a very colorful snapper. But it says that it's called Pom Pops, so I'm not really sure. So let's open the splat ball. Splat ball is so fun to play. And the splat ball is also very sticky. And I think it kind of looks like a yellow poop face. It's so fun. And the snapper is also so good. So I'm very happy with this fidget haul and these fidgets. And subscribe for more fidget hauls.